Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. In the previous video, we have finished this one issue of debenture for cash, and in this video, we are starting with the issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. So, what do you mean by consideration other than cash? So, let us understand that, and then we'll move on to the questions. Right? Issue of debenture for consideration other than cash, which means the company will issue debentures to the public for cash, right? So if you want to buy debentures, you will pay the cash, then they will give the debentures. But other than cash means we can purchase debentures by exchanging or machinery or buildings, any assets, or even some cases company can take over the other company, whatever our company is there, will take over, which means will purchase other companies by exchanging debentures. These also a type of exchange only, consideration other than cash, right? So these are the cases. Let us solve the questions and understand the journal entries also. Let us see the first question, what they have given. Right, here see GS Rai Company Limited. So GS Rai Company Limited purchased assets of book value of 99,000. A company purchased assets, correct? So from another firm, some other company, it was agreed that purchase consideration be paid by issuing 11% debentures of 100 each, which means the company purchased assets. Instead of giving cash, they are giving debentures. They are giving debentures. Right. Okay. Assume debentures have been issued at first at par and the second at discount at of 10% and a third at a premium of 10%. So which means they are issuing at par, premium, not first premium, discount and premium. So at par means 100 equals 100 only, and at a discount of 10%. So 100 plus 10, correct? And sorry, at a discount of 10, which means minus 10, correct? So they are selling at 90 rupees, correct? So then premium means at an extra cost 100 plus 10 equals 110. For 110 they are selling. So three cases are there. Let us solve this and let us see the journal entries. Before understanding journal entries, we need to do one thing, that is modern rules. If asset increase, we will do, we will debit it. If asset decreases, what we will do, we will credit it. If liability increase, we will credit. If liability decreases, what we will do? Obviously, opposite of that, we will debit it. So, if income increase, if income increases, we will credit it. If expenses or losses increase, we will debit. So this is modern rules. You need to understand this rule to understand the journal entries, right? So by heart it or this is very simple. No need to by heart also. We'll get it easily. Right. Let us see the question and solve it. So the company, GS Rai Company, purchased asset worth of 99,000 from another firm, correct? So if asset is coming to the company, so we are journalizing in the books of GS Rai Company Limited, right? So if asset is coming, so what will happen? Asset will increase, company asset will increase. So we'll call it as sundry asset. So what do you mean by sundry asset? Sundry assets are those assets which are so small. So we can't categorize in buildings, furniture, other categories of assets, right? So which will be a small asset. So we'll call it as sundry asset. Account will get debited because asset is increasing. So for how much it is increasing, we are purchasing asset worth of 99,000. So obviously it will increase up to that, correct? So for purchasing this, we need to pay to the firm from whomever we have purchased to him, we need to pay. So we need to pay means he will be our creditor right now until we pay, correct? Right. So liability increasing. Correct. Creditors are liable. Creditors come under liabilities. Right. So if liability increases, we will credit it to vendor account. So who is vendor? Whomever selling the assets for to us. Right. So vendor account will get credited for 99,000 because we need to pay 99,000. At the time of payment, we will pay, right? So if we pay, our liability will decrease, which means this creditors will decrease, correct? Then what we will do? We will debit it. If liability decreases, we need to debit it. So vendor account will get debited for how much? How much we need to pay? 99,000. The same, right? Then what we will pay? We will pay through debentures. We will pay through debentures. Then the liability will increase. Correct. Right. So what percentage of debenture? 11% debenture account. 99,000. If we are paying through debentures, liability will increase. Right. Correct. So this is your par entry. This is case 1. So three cases they have given at par, at a discount of 10% and at a premium of 10%. Three cases we need to solve. The first case is over, that is par. Correct. Now we are moving to discount. We are moving to discount. How we can solve this question? So let us see how we can solve. Now the first entry is same. Nothing changes. Amount, everything is changed. There is no change. Correct. So sundry asset will come, account will get debited for 99,000. Correct. So do you want me to write it or the same entry? You can write it. No issues. No issues. I'll directly go to the second entry where the changes are there. Right. First entry is same. We no need to write it again and again. Correct. So let me write, go to the second entry, that is vendor account debit to debenture account. So vendor account is same, we need to pay. So the first entry is sundry asset account debit to vendor account. At the time of payment, vendor will get debited. So vendor account will get debited for how much? We need to pay him 99,000. Correct. So whatever we are paying at a discount, which means this 99,000 is only 90%. I've already explained it. Discount, which means we are not selling, we are not giving debentures at 100 rupees. We are giving debentures at 90 rupees, which means this is 90%. So 10% is the discount, correct? Let me explain you. This is 100%. Out of 100%, we are giving 10% discount, which means 90% is 99,000. Correct. So then what is 100%? What is 100% and what is 10%? Whatever we are giving discount, right? What is that amount? So let me calculate it. So this 99,000 is 90%, which means 100% we need to find out. 99,000 divided by, which means 90%. If you do that, you will arrive at, let me do that, 99,000 divided by 90 into 100. 1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000 is 100%. Correct. We are giving discount on this. After giving discount only, we are paying 99,000, which means 100% is this. So 100% is 1 lakh 10,000 minus 99,000. You will get the remaining whatever 10% is there. That is 11,000. 11,000 is 10%, which means the discount has been given about 11,000. Did you understand this clearly? Yes, you can move on. Yes. So discount, whatever discount we have given, that is loss for us, correct? Loss for the company. If loss or expense increases, we need to debit it. So discount on issue of debentures account will get debited for how much? For how much we have given discount, that is 11,000. 11,000. Now, to 11% debenture account we need to transfer, we need to pay through debentures, right? So we will transfer the debentures. So how much? It is 1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000, that is 100%. Did you understand it clearly? Discount is done. Discount is done. Now we are moving to premium. So let us see how we can handle the premium. The first vendor account is same. Vendor account will get debited for 99,000 only because we need to pay him 99,000. But the thing is, this 99,000, whatever we are paying out of premium, correct? That is 100 rupees plus 10. That is the thing. Correct. Which means this 99,000 is 110 percentage. 99,000 is 110 percentage. Correct. Here 99,000 was equal to 90% because we are paying at 10% discount. But here we are paying at premium, 10% premium, which means we will add it. Right. We need to find out what is 100% and what is the premium amount. Correct. So the same thing, 99,000 divided by 110%. If you do that, you will arrive at 100%. Let us see 99,000. Uh, let me do this. Divided by 99,000 divided by 110 into 100. If you do that, 90,000. 100% is 100% is 90,000. 90,000 equals 100%. Then what is the premium? Premium is 99,000, whatever we have to pay to the vendor, and what is 100% minus, if you do, you will get 10%. You will get 10% of premium. Correct. So premium is liability for us. We will debit it to 11% debenture account will get credited for 90,000. That is your 100%. Correct. Now, to security premium, remaining 9,000 will go. That's it. Did you understand this calculation clearly? Kindly note it down. If you have any doubt, please comment and ask the doubt clearly. Right. So kindly note it down. Note down the question also. Let me zoom it. Take a screenshot. So that's the end of the video. We'll meet in the next video with another question. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.